Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uboshiwe mfana lapha eMpumalanga leli gama lakhe kunguKenneth wakamkwena ngemva kokuthi ahamba lapha emathuneni la kungqwatshwa khona baba wakhe namkhulu wakhe wayobagubha wakhipha amathambo abo. So uboshiwe ngemva kwaleso sendo lesithusa ngale ndlela lesimanga. So abantu bathi bamangele ukuthi umuntu lonjani lo vela emathuneni ayogubha abantu bakubo, and he knows ukuthi futhi bangqwatshwe phi. Uye straight, akazange alahleka, waya straight labangqwabe khona mkhulu wakhe nababa wakhe, wafika wabagubha wakhipha amathamba abo. Uthi umndeni waKenneth yena akafuni ukuthi Kenneth aboshwe, bafuna ukuthi Kenneth athathwe ayofakwa esibhedlela sebantu labangekho right ngokwengcondo, since Kenneth sukela kwashona mkhulu wakhe anababa wakhe akazange aphinde abe right engcondweni. Kuthiwa futhi akasiso sigebengu but umuntu njena alungasekho right engcondweni following kushona kababa wakhe namkhulu wakhe. So abantu abaningi bathuke ngendlela lesimanga, including emphakathi, wasala ubambelwe ngendansi imlomo ngokuthi ayebo Kenneth wendani manje, lamathambo futhi ufuna akuwendani namathambo ababa wakhe namkhulu wakhe. Ngisho umbona la kule picture guys, uyabona ukuthi cha shame ngekho right vele engcondweni, kude umuntu ongaba right engcondweni umbone ahlale angagezi njengoba angagezi, umbona abe ngale ndlela, uyambona nje ukuthi umuntu vele longazathathi kahle engcondweni. So that's why family zakhe isho ukuthi angayi lo muntu ejele, akayiswe esibhedlela sebantu laba athikameteke ngakwengcondo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.